What if computers could read your mind? Elon Musk's Neuralink is bringing science fiction into reality. Your brain has billions of neurons. Neuralink implants tiny threads to capture these signals, turning thoughts into digital commands. Imagine curing paralysis. Imagine the blind seeing again. Neuralink could change medicine forever. If a chip can read your mind, can it also control it? Neuralink could be the ultimate tool for power and manipulation. Musk fears AI will outsmart humans. His solution? Merge our brains with artificial intelligence before it's too late. Experts warn Neuralink could be dangerous. Brain damage, hacking risks, and loss of privacy. Should we trust it? Neuralink could unlock human potential and even take us beyond the stars. But will it save us or enslave us? Neuralink could help restore lost memories. Could it be the ultimate cure for Alzheimer's and dementia? For the paralyzed, Neuralink may offer freedom. Imagine writing, speaking, or walking again, just by thinking. With Neuralink, could we one day talk without speaking, directly mind to mind? Forget controllers. Neuralink could let you play games using only your brain. What if learning a language took minutes, not years? Neuralink can make instant learning possible. If Neuralink connects your brain to the internet, who controls your thoughts? You or the hackers? What if only the rich could afford Neuralink? Would it create a new class divide? Upgraded humans and the rest of us? Musk believes Neuralink could help humans survive in space, controlling ships, boosting focus, even adapting to Mars. Are we becoming cyborgs? Neuralink may be the first step toward merging humans with machines. In 2024, Neuralink began its first human trial. The world is watching closely. Success or failure? Neuralink isn't alone. Competitors are racing to connect brains with machines. Who will win the brain ship race? The scariest future? A world where every human must wear a chip and freedom no longer exists. Would you trust a chip in your brain? Neuralink is coming sooner than you think. The question is, are you ready?